Word is that? Do the sounds.
Mat.
Good job. Next.
Hey.
Paano yung fat? Fat.
Pat.
Yes. Anong letter kukunin mo? Get it. Dali. Dali.
Pot.
Fat.
Pot.
Mm.
This is the pot.
Do you have...
Where's the pot?
Where is your fat? Sa puwet. Ay, dali na. Read it na. Do the sounds.
The hole.
What is that?
Hole.
Hole.
Pajama.
Is it pajama? Short yun.
Short.
Ang dali. Read na.
Atong letter.
Oh, do the sounds. Do the sounds. Baliktad. Oh,
Parang saying.
parang?
Parang saying letter C.
Parang Zay?
Yung saying ng letter C.
Ah.
Itong letter C. Tapos itong big letter C. Tapos
Small letter T,
small
yun.
letter T.
Mm. Or read it. Do the sounds.
Pot.
Good job. Next. Next. What about mat?
Mat.
Anong letter ilalagay mo dyan?
Nanay.
Mat.
Isang letter or
Oh, what is that ba?
diba nalagay ko doon?
Finish ka na ba dyan? Hindi ka pa nga finish dyan. Do the sounds. Dali na.
Mat.
Good job. Give it to me. Next. What about bat?
Bat.
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 Yung Nagpa-
To?
read it. Para sure.
Sure ka?
Sure ka? Bat. Paano yun? Paano spell yung bat? Louder.
Bat.
Do the sounds louder.
Bat.
Good job. Good job, What about kapag cat?
Paka.
Cat. Cat.
Paka.
Cat.
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 Anong letter? Can you see it?
C.
C. Do the sounds.
Hat.
Good job. What about hat? Hat.
Nanay.
Give it to me. Hat.
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 Do the sounds.
Hat.
Good job. What about vat?
Pot.
Vat.
Bat.
What letter? Anong letter yung nilagay ko?
B.
Are you sure? Yes. Do the sounds. Are you sure? What word is that? Good job.
Ano namin?
Wow. What about sat?
Sat.
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 Good job. What about mat?
Mat.
Mat.
Sa'yo did the mat.
Where's the mat? What letter ba?
P.
What? Mat. Mat. Do the... Are you sure? Do the sounds for sure.
Mat.
Good job. Paano naman yung pat?
Pat.
Pat. Pat. What letter?
P.
P. Do the sounds for sure. Do the sounds louder. Do the sounds. What word is that? What word is that? Good job! Yay! Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay.